Very simple. Containing animation. Jumping attack. Enemy. And that's it. Let's go. First thing, you are going to download Godot, right? Just come here, download Godot. Go to Google, then click download. Download here. After it went down, you are in the downloads folder. Extract here and run. A Godot hero. For you it will appear this way here. For those who never ran Cotton on computer. And now we are going to lower the assets that we will use in this game. Just go on Google, also type Pixel Frog, and click on the first link here. Let's get these assets from Treasure Hunters. For you there will be Hunter Teasers. Father's English, right? You will click here on download. For those who have money and want to donate, make one donation only. Click here to donate or donate more. Who has nothing wrong? Click here no thanks. And just click download. Downloaded. Closes everything. Go there in downloads. As I had already downloaded. Just click here, right button, and extract to have vision. Here's our Pastinha. I will give 2 clicks inside. And I will exchange this name here. Assets. And we go there to God now here. Let me close here, speed there. Here you are going to do what? In new local projects. And we'll put here the name of your game. I will put here the name of my project, that will be Pirates. My character's name is Pirates. Sans I will leave incompatibility. Because we are going to make this game available here at Itau to play on the web. And let's pick a folder here. Fuck me if I'm going to put it right here. I clicked without wanting, but I will not edit this video again. Wait, load there, nice here. NA God. Remember we extracted the assets. We'll give 2 clicks inside. Change the name, you are going to click here We'll leave the boot folder marked. Go click hold and throw in the assets. There will be one delay there. Because there's a lot in those assets there. I will not advance in. You don't want to move on there, you will be. Or I edit later. I don't know. Let's click here on Scene 2D. And we will rename here to Phase 1. Phase, let's place phase here in our sex. We will do it this way. Let's go first. Create a floor using the static bar node. For those who don't know, just click here on the phase node and add from Tactibury Boys. You see that the error appeared here. We need a Colosseum shape. We'll give a Colosseum shape then. We'll add here the Colosseum shape. The Colosseum shape will give it a shape here. I'm going to put this rectangle to represent our ground. This way here. I'm going to drag it down here. Is rectangle here. Purple is where our character's camera, in quotes, goes, is focused from. I will rename this stack bar here to the ground. I will give a cons to save, and here we are going to create a new part called scenes. And we will put all our scenes inside this folder. Click save. Then, here you have already seen here in the lower left corner that already has our little pastry scenes. Let me see if she's a daughter, it's right. So come on, let's open a new scene here. Click on another node and create our player. Where is here body character? And let's add our son named. And let's add our son too. Part 2b. Beauty Christian shape is still making a mistake because we haven't defined any form for it. Let's go here in our acids in orbit. Big nose. Let's go in sprites. Things here. Oh, for those who don't know, here is when he has the sword. And here is no sword. I will use without sword because we will do it one way. When he finds the sword, then he plays his sword animation there. So let's go here and get in paste. Idle in paradise here without sword. I'll take this first. Sprite here do DA. Select the sprite node. Click hold and drag paster. Here is our cute as nose. And I will rename here to player. Now let's give a form here to our continues. Let me zoom in here and see what's involved. So the sprite of our normal universe. In a little while we'll fix this. I'll leave it like this. Get a little bit here from his head, from the hat and up to the little foot there too. Give a good feeling there in the. When it comes to putting our team 7. So I'll give you a control here to save. It's inside the scenes folder and I'm going to save. For us to improve this texture here of our sprite, I go here on Project Captain. I'll come here on rendering. In textures. From linear to nursed. So the quality for HD Ultra K there. Oh. It's already on our label here on our sprite. Now. Let's give one. Movement for our citizen. I will click here on the plus sign. I will choose one folder here. I will create one new folder here called sprites. And I will save in here. Click open. I will leave this option here for now or basic movement already generated here by Godot just for us to test. And I will click on create. Here is our first script. I will give a Ctrl S to save. I'm going there in our phase. Click here in our phase. And I will bring our captain here. Click the distance button. Got my player. You see that my player is tiny, right? But soon we will increase. He relaxes. Gives 1 against the S. I'll bring my player a little bit more in the middle here just for us to see and perform our game. You see he's going one way. Forward, back. And it's jumping. I will leave only the collision shapes mode visible. For you to understand what is happening here. We created our ground from one shape to the ground. And here is our little player hero. Walking back and forth, beautiful and beautiful. Well, for now it will be that. In a little while we will is performing player animation and improving our script movement. It's this leaves the like and does not share.